Hello and welcome back to the channel Between the Keys. Today I'm going to do the first on the list of the US Top 40. So I'm going to try and get through all 40 songs. At least that's the challenge I've set myself. The number one spot goes to Sabrina Carpenter. She's all over the charts at the moment, but she's got the top spot too with Please Please Please. Let's learn the song together. Now I noticed that sometimes I will play more difficult chords like F sharp minor 7. So where it says F sharp minor 7, I'm just going to play today to begin with F sharp minor to keep it like a simple version. And instead of doing octaves in the bass, I'm just going to play one note. But just so you know, often I'll play octaves. So that's more of the advanced way. Anyway, on with the headphones. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. So it starts with an A. That's how you can play your A chord, A, C sharp and E. I know I have good taste. I said I was just going to play simple chords, so you could do like this. I know I have good taste. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. And then B minor 7. Here's the closest one. F sharp, B and D. The actual B minor chord is, but just for simplicity, I've moved that F sharp down. Much easier to play from an F sharp minor. And you stay on that chord for 2 bars. Yeah, that only I feel that way. And then you go to D. I promise them that you're different. And then A over C sharp. And everyone makes mistakes, but I just don't. There's your E chord. And then it goes to E4. 1 note difference there. To E. Let's do that verse again. I know I have good judgment. I know I have good taste. It's funny and it's ironic. Same chord. But only I feel that way. I promise I'm that you're different. Everyone makes mistakes, but I just don't. To E. And there you go. You have the verse. Okay. That F sharp minor, the second one, you can actually play it with a 7 because it's F sharp minor 7. So here's how I would play. I'll just make the keyboard a little bit to the right so you can see the bass notes too, because I'm going to play octaves this time. And also I'll play the intro. So the introduction, by the way, is a synth line. Down to G sharp, F sharp minor, and then it goes stepwise down. Something like that. Anyway, then your verse again. I have good judgment. So here's the full chords. A, 2 A's in the bass. That's how I would play it to give it more punch. Minor 7. So here's the more advanced way. Let's move on to verse 2. Heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. So tell them it's just your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. To the chorus. Please, please, please. And then we go, that was F sharp minor by the way, and please to A over C sharp. Please, please, D over B. Don't bring me to tears when I just did my makeup so nice. So we go back and forth from the E to E4. That's E to E4, and then back to the verse. I'll just play one-handed. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. to, so it stays on the A but goes down to G sharp in the bass, F sharp in the bass. Beg you don't embarrass me, motherfucker, please, please, please. Back and forth from the E to E4. Let's do that one again. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me. I'm not going to sing anymore because it's too high for me. Please, please, please. And then it changes. So then we go to a C chord. It's the sort of next section of the song. Well, I have a fun idea, babe. Up to C sharp diminished. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice. So nice, right? Let's do that again. C. Have a fun idea. Maybe just stay inside. I know you're craving some fresh air, but the ceiling fan is so nice. So I'm playing it as D minor 7, as I often do on minor chords, but you could play just D minor like that, or like this. The extra D in the bass. Then we go up to F, and we could live so happily, E minor, if no one knows that you're with me, and then G. Just kidding, but really kinda. G4, sorry, G4. Often go back and forth from the G4 to the G major. Just one note difference there. And then back to the verse. Heartbreak is one thing, my ego's another. I beg you don't embarrass me, motherfucker. And then we're on the R, motherfucker. Please, please, please. And then if you want to go and be stupid is on D. If you want to go and be stupid, don't do it in front of me. C sharp 7. To D, if you don't want to cry to my music, don't make me hate you so prolifically. C sharp 7 to D, and then please, 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 A. Bass moving down, same chords in the right hand. To D. And then we finish the song with a D minor. To A. Let's do once more, verse to chorus. So imagine you've just played the first verse, but just don't. Heard that you're an actor, so act like a stand-up guy. Whatever devil's inside you, don't let him out tonight. I tell you, it's just culture, your culture, and everyone rolls their eyes. Yeah, I know. And I'm asking, baby, and we go to the chorus. Please, 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 don't put me on right. Please, 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 don't bring me to tears when you lipstick that makeup so bright. Playing the wrong bass note there. D. Yeah, should be playing an E. So, play it slow if you can, and again, if you want to play triads like this, perfectly acceptable. C, just one bass note. B minor, F sharp minor, just one bass note. D, A. What else do you need? You need F sharp minor. You need B minor again, F sharp minor. You need A. Play like this. D, you can play like this. But I just like to play the bigger chords, so. Okay, that's the first song on the US Top 40. Thanks for watching. If you found it useful, let me know. And also let me know what other songs from the top 10 or the top 40 that you like. $1 Million Baby, I believe, is number 4 on the list. That's already up on the channel. And second up, I'm going to find out what that is now, and I'm going to listen to it for the first time. Maybe I'll do a live listen along and see what I think. Please Please Me, I think Please 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 is okay. Not Please Me, that's a Beatles song. I think $1 Million Baby is even more catchy. I like it. It's on my playlist. It's become a daily listen for me. So, Between the Keys, see you next time. I'll also put a link in the description for the top beginner pianos from betweenthekeys.com if you want to buy yourself a beginner piano to start learning. And I'll also put a link to my Patreon and other links such as that. See you in the next one.